So guys, today we are here with another video where we will know how to grab more than 150 premium courses totally free. So chaliye let's check how does it work. So first of all, you need to have Python installed in your PC or laptop, and if not, no need to worry, I will be here guiding you how to install it. So as you can see, I have already downloaded Python here and I will be giving the link in the description. You just need to install it and just finish this installation process and close this tab. Setup was successful. Close this tab. Now here again you have to do is that again install Python and it will show modify option over here. Just click on modify and check the whole option showing over there and click on next, and here also check all the options showing and press next and install it. And this modification process is successful, and then close this tab. Now open Google Chrome or Firefox and then open Udemy website and log in into your main account where you want to grab all the courses. So here I have already logged in into my account, and let me show you my courses grabbed over here. Yes, you can only see this. I have only 3 courses already grabbed. Minimize Chrome and download this folder from description I have given in the video. Now open command prompt and then open the specified location of the folder which you have downloaded from my video link and type cd and then paste the location of the folder over here and press enter. And after this you will be finding there a file named requirements.txt. So now we will be giving a command pip install -r requirements.txt, same as the name given over there, requirements.txt. Please mind that spelling you are typing over there is correct. Enter and you will be finding that all the required files have been installed from requirements.txt. Now here, by putting the command python space udemy.py, you will find that your account has been auto logged over here and your courses will be start grabbing automatically by pressing buy. Else you can get the error which I am getting over here, that auto login has failed. Try adding cookie file using such and such command. So we will go and find that what we will have to do over here for rectifying these errors. So go back to the folder you have downloaded from my video link and make a file named cookie.txt. Here I am making the same file cookie.txt. Now open this file and minimize it, and from the taskbar open back Chrome and just right click on the main home page and click on inspect, and here you will find that such option is showing, and from that network behind option click on applications and then go for cookies, and here you will find udemy.com website. Click on that and find the value of access token and client ID. You might find it some below. You just need to find where it is given over there. So find the value and copy the value. So here it is client ID and then search for access token. Here it is access token. You just need to copy these values over here. Open cookie.txt file and then paste first of all access token, then use a pipe symbol, and then find for the client ID, copy the value of it, and again paste it into cookie.txt file. Now after it has been done, just save this file and then close it and minimize the Chrome tab and open back CMD and again type the command python udemy.py -c cookie.txt and press enter after this. Now you will be seeing that it is trying to log in and it has logged in successfully into your Udemy account, and it will ask for whether you want to subscribe all the available courses into your account or not. Then press Y over there. Now you will find that it has automatically started enrolling you to the subscription of the premium courses you wanted to have. It will be subscribing to almost more than 150 courses which you can find it in your Udemy account after the whole process is done over here. So this whole project is created by Mr. Ami Sani. You can follow him on GitHub. I will be giving the link over here. And if you liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share among your friends.